In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Open your browser. Search bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can type in your prompt. Typing your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. Simply click on Download button. Let's try another sample. Change your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here and you will get images without any watermark. If you want more videos like this, let me know in comments below.